What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom Crash Bandicoot levels. Now, I have been using this app for quite some time and posting videos of it on my channel, so I think it's finally time for me to teach you about it. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't have it, is go over to itch.io and Google and search for something called Crash Bandicoot Back in Time. So, sorry for the caps lock. It wasn't intentional, but here you go. This is the app. It's a Unity-made fan game of Crash Bandicoot series, and it replicates it replicates the styles of the classic 90s Crash games. And you can download it as a zip file or an APK file, so it's available for Windows and Android devices. So yeah, or any other device that runs Windows or Android software. So this is the development log right here where my mouse is pointing. This is just the first ever update on May 7th of 2023. Update V093 on July 1st of 2023. 0.93b fixes, improvements, and more. July 15th, 2023. 0.94 and 0.94b, new toys, less bugs. That was all in one on October 12th, 2023. October 21, 2023, allowed this app to work on Android devices. Now, this is the latest one, 0.95, that you can download here right now. So, yeah, you can create your own levels or play the stock levels or play levels created by other users. So it's mostly famous for user-created content. That's why it's popular. So then when you download it, you want to open the Crash Bandicoot Back in Time app. This is the introduction to it. So you need to know, if you haven't played this game before, just put new game because that's the only thing that's gonna show you. But if you already made some progress, you can click continue to continue your progress. You can open the credits or quit the game. I don't think you will right when you open it, but let me just do continue for you right now, so I can show you how you can create your own levels. So you want to go to this screen here, you'll see flashback tapes, user created tapes, and then you want to go into the Crash Creator, this thing right here, the one that's highlighted green. So you open it, click on it. So now basically you have a big canvas here. You can go through the level and you can see all the stuff in the level. So right here there's a grid on the left, which is the cursor, that has the cursor, the pencil, eraser, and you can even change the setting, the date time, the time of day. You can change it, which is pretty cool. You can change the background as well. You have a lot of options for the backgrounds you want to create. See? So we're gonna stick with this background. Now you can also change the weather. You can make it snowy, rainy, night time, or I don't know what that is, but yeah, you can just make it normal too. And you can also now here on the bottom there is just the options to save it. Like here you can enter the name and do everything, and here you can load other levels. Like you can load Uka Uka trials, you can load flashback tapes, and you can load user created content. Now this is where just starting a new level. Like if you this to exit. Now on the top here you see there is a scroll bar containing all of the items. This scroll bar on the top contains the crates like the basic crate, the bouncy crate, the Wumpa crate, the one-up crate, the body slam crate, the TNT crate, the nitro crate, the POW crate, the Aku crate, and this is the Uka crate. And yeah, there are a lot of more options here, like the checkpoint as well. Now, to add floors, like look, for example, let's add some. So to add something, you click on the item you want on the object palette or scroll bar, and here you can. It's like a click and drop, drag and drop. So now you just put this anywhere you want on the map. Yeah, see? You can put it anywhere you want on the map. So now we have a stack of 12 boxes. So what you can test. Also, it's kind of like Mario Maker. You can test the levels you're making as you're making them. So yeah, that can happen too. But now we just have a little bit of floor and 12 boxes. So we need to add a little more. Let's add the body slam crates in, for example, right here. So now we have 4 more boxes, 16 boxes now. Now if you want to add tiles, our floor, there's a bigger scroll bar of options here. You have all the tile options you can use. The grass here, you can just add the grass here, like normal grass blocks. This is the dirt, like the base of the ground. So yeah, you can create all this. Now, if you want to have some stuff on the go, since you use them a lot, there is something for that down here. All these things are on the go. Like you can put them from here and put them down here like this. I think I filled it, but you can add another one like this. You can add anything you want to it. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Like you can add the crate like this. You can add this crate. Pretty cool that you can have stuff on the go, but there's a maximum limit. So what you want to do now is, if you can elevate the ground if you want, but let's just make these gaps. Now you can elevate the ground as well, like this. You can make him go up a steep tower hill. You can just keep going as far as you want. Which is actually pretty cool. It's very cool for a Crash game. Because this is the only, I'm pretty sure this is the only simple option you can have for creating your own levels in Crash Bandicoot back in time. You don't have to fill all this up, but you can create some amazing decorations by these base dirt blocks like this. And you can also crates and floor tiles. You can also add the enemies like this. Let's put this huge piranha plant up here. And this enemy over here. I don't know what it's called. Wait. Now, in this here you have the cursor, which you can change the ID of this, for example, the lizard. You can make it flip like this and go this direction. And the piranha plant as well. Or jump plant, according to them. So now let's test it out. Look. Wait, where did the lizard go? Oh yeah, he can also elevate the ground. He can go up this elevated ground, but you have to slide him to kill him. Now this piranha plant we got him, so the level seems so good so far. So we're gonna make this like a tutorial on how to play my levels that I am currently making. But let's change the background to make it seem more like a tutorial level. Because we need a tutorial before we play my levels, since they get pretty hard pretty fast. Yeah, I like this background. This background is good. So, and I'm gonna change the time of day as well. I'm gonna change it to this because it looks nice. But let me change the night. Let's do the night. How good? Okay, I can't see anything. Now I know what this means. Wait, don't you have the fireflies? I'm pretty sure you have the fireflies in here, but let's just change this back to normal for now. Yeah, so now you can see you have this stereotypical Arabic scimitar man. You also have this same scimitar man just throwing the scimitars instead. So it's pretty cool. So let's give him some fruits. Let's give Crush some fruit as he goes up this staircase. Also, I feel like the Crash Creator theme. I feel like the Crash Creator theme is like a remake of the Cortex, the Neo Cortex boss fight theme. So it's a pretty cool gimmick that you can create your own levels in this game. That's why I like this game a lot. You can add individual lives here. Let's put some lives here. You have output. You can even add moving platforms like this. You can even choose the end point of where they stop and their speed as well. Like, look. Let's just place these tiles over here. Wait, actually okay, but let's just do the endpoint for now. The endpoint is, so you can choose the endpoint as far as you want it to be. So that's pretty cool. And you can even change the speed of the platform. You can make it go really slow like this. You can make it go really fast. Cool, very cool, very, 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 very cool. Now, to erase something, you have to right-click on the item, like that. So now I'm gonna add a new enemy instead of the lizard, since I think he's a bit too early, since this is a tutorial. Now let's add an armadillo instead. Now let's test the level out to see how good it is. going well. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Now let's add some more crates, like this one, the basic one. So this game is actually really good. Let's also add some lives like this as he moves on the platform. You can even put Crash wherever you want as for his starting point. You can make his starting point over here, or you can make it over here. So that's pretty cool. Let's add some crates hidden here in the back, because that seems like a nice place to hide them. The basic ones. Now, over here, you can have this bouncy crate. And this other bouncy crate. It's a different type, this one. So, it's good. You can even add as flooring these metal crates. Now you can also add checkpoints. Now you have either a choice of the crate checkpoint or the metal checkpoint. You also have the metal bouncy crate. We'll make it lead up to an apple crate. So let's add the TNT here. Now look, it's pretty cool that you can add, you can see this circle around it. It's good because you can see the blast radius of the TNT. So that's pretty cool. So if you're anywhere in the circle, that will make you go kabooey. You can also add this. However, I don't think this is good for the tutorial. So, let's try adding something else. Like this. These are the traps that this tile right here, that's in the Egypt level mostly. It lets you take advantage of these tiles, but the red one with the red bug, they fall down, so that's cool. Now, we have to put something really important though. Every level needs to have a crystal. So we'll put the crystal right here. We don't really need a bonus bow in the tutorial, but you can add the bonus. You can add bonus rounds, which is cool. Now you need to make sure to put one of these in, or you won't finish the level. So now you have the gem here, the box gem. So this seems pretty cool. Let's test it out. Also, I like to use the keyboard controls instead of Xbox controls, like the WASD spacebar, CTRL, and Shift controls. Because I feel like they're simpler and better to use. I got 2 enemies at once. Nice. So, as we're playing through my tutorial, you need to know something. You need to know that my levels can get a little bit hard at times. So now that's all the boxes. So we have the crystal here, and the gem, and we finished the level. So it seems so far so good. Now you can enter the name. Tutorial. I'm just gonna put tutorial and my in-game name. You can even change the music, which is pretty cool. It's a nice gimmick. So you can put any music you want out of these options. So, yeah. I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put. Wait, let's see. Yeah, this one seems good. Now, you can even change it from practice, flashback, trial, adventure, the types. Now, since this is a tutorial, I'm gonna put practice. Now, to save it, press the save button. You have a lot of options here, like death route, bonus, and gem, and a red gem platform. You can make a time trial too. Like, this is a good tutorial, so what I'm gonna do now is save it and leave. So that is how you create a Crash Bandicoot Back in Time custom level in Crash Bandicoot Back in Time. I hope you learned from this and enjoyed this so you can make your own custom levels. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.